Hello students, welcome to Mathematics Study channel. In the last class, we discussed about determinant. We have already completed exercise 4.3. Today, we are going to solve exercise 4.4. So, what is 4.4? In exercise 4.4, the right minors and cofactor of elements of following determinant. In determinant, in the first class, what is minor and how to find the cofactors we already discussed. Okay, so just I give the hints. What is minors? The minors of a element in a determinant is the determinant obtained by deleting the row and the columns in which that element appears. That means this is a determinant, suppose, then 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 1 1 1. This is a determinant. Then how to find the minors? The minors of this one is what? So this is first row and first column. So I write M11. M11 means what? By deleting the rows and columns. By deleting the rows and columns where the element appears. So 1 appears in the first row and first column. So deleting first row and first column. The remaining are what? 2, 3, 1, 1. This is the minors of 1. And what is the similarly? What is the minor of 3? Then minor of 3 is, that means it lies in first row. So 1 in third column. So 1 3. This is equal to what? So cancelling by first row and third column. If we cancelling by first row and third column, this is the first row and this is the third column. Then remaining elements are what? 4, 2, 1, 1. This is the minors of 3. Similarly, what is the minor of 2? Then minor of 2 is, that means this is M, okay, minors M. It lies in which row? Second row. So write here 2, okay. In which column? Second column. So write here M22 equal to what? How to find this? So 2 lies in second row, so cancelling second row, okay, cancelling by second row, and second column, the second column is this one, cancelling second column, okay. So cancelling second column, then remaining are what? Then remaining elements are 1 1 1 1 and 1 3 1 3. In this way we find the minors. And what is cofactors? Cofactors is also very simple. In cofactor only we use this sign, okay. This is the minors of 1 1, no. So what is the cofactor of this one? The cofactor of this, that means cofactor of this one is, if it is denoted by A11, then what is cofactor? That means the formula is minus 1 to the power I plus j into minors, into what? Minors. This is the formula to find the cofactors, okay. So what is the cofactor of 1? Cofactor of 1 is what? So I, A11, that means I is the row and j is the what? J is the columns where the dead elements appears. That means minus 1 to the power 1 plus 1 into minors. Minors is what? This one minors. So write here 2 3 1 2 3. This is 1, no? This is 1 1, okay. This is the minors. So minus 1 whole square, that means 1 into this one. So 2 minus 3 equal to what? 1 into minus 1 equal to minus 1. So minors, that means cofactor of 1 is this one. In this way we find the cofactor. Similarly, what is the cofactor of this element? Suppose this one, okay. So it is, this is A, denoted by A. It lies in third column and first row, then minus 1 to the power 3 plus 1, okay, into minors. Minors is what? So minors is cancelling by row and column. If we cancelling by 1 column, then third row and first column is cancelled, then 2 3 2 3. Okay, right here 2 3 and 2 3. This is the cofactor of this element. And what is the, similarly we get the cofactor of 2 3 etc. Okay, so I am going to solve exercise. So question number 1 is what? Here it is given question number 1 4 1. That means exercise 4.1. Here 2 minus 4 3. 2 minus 4, this is 3. Okay, not 3, this is 0, this is 3. Then minors, find the minors now. Then what is the minors of 2? So minors of 2, that means this is M11 equal to what? Cancelling by this and this. So minors of this is 3. This is very simple. Okay, so what is the minor of minus 4? This is M12 because it lies in first row and second column. What is cancelling by this row and this column, then this is 0. And M21 second row, that means minors of 0 is what? It lies in second row and first column. So cancelling this second row and first column, then we get minus 4. Again M22 minors of this element 3 is equal to what? Cancelling by second row and second column, then this is, so this is the minors. Okay, in this way we find the minors. Now we are going to find the cofactors. Now cofactors of this one, suppose this is denoted by A11. Okay, to A11 formula is what? Minus 1 to the power I plus j, that means I is 1 plus 1 into minors. Minors is, that means M11. So that is what? This is minus 1 whole square into M11 is 3. So this is equal to what? 3. Minus 1 square is 1 into 3 is 3. Similarly, the cofactor of this one, cofactor of this, suppose this is A12. A12 means minus 1 to the power 1 plus 2 into M12. So what do we get? This is minus 5 minus 1 cube into M12. M12 is 0. Right here 0. This is equal to what? This is minus 1 into 0 equal to 0. Similarly, the cofactors of this is A1, not 1, this is 2 1 because it lies in second row and first column. Then this is equal to what? This is equal to minus 1 2 plus 1 into A2 1, that means M21 is minus 4. You write here minus 4. So this is equal to what? This is minus 1 cube into minus 4. So minus 1 is, this is an even number, so power is even, so sign is negative. Minus 1 into minus 4 equal to 4. So cofactor of 3 is what? Cofactor of 3, this is A22 equal to 2 2, that means minus 1 to the power 2 plus 2 is 4 into M22. This is equal to, this is plus 1 into what? M22 is what? 2. So this is equal to 2. Therefore the cofactor is what? Cofactor are this one. In this way we find the minors and cofactor. Now I am going to solve question number 2. Question number 2 is what? Question number 2 is also write the minors and cofactor of elements of following determinant. Here two problems are given here. We take question number 2. Okay, question number 2. The question number 2 is here. It is the right here. Here what is? First row is 1 0 4 and second row is 3 5 minus 1 3 5 minus 1 and third row is 0 1 2. Okay, so first minors, that means minors of 1 is what? M11 equal to what? Cancelling by first row and first coulomb, then what we get? The remaining are 5 minus 1, 1, 2. This is equal to 10 minus minus is plus 1 equal to 11. M1, 2, that means it is 0. The minus of 0 is what? So this and this cancel. We find get 3 minus 1, 0 and 2. This is equal to 6 minus plus 0 equal to 6. Again M1, 3, that means minus of 4. M1, 3 equal to cancelling by first row and third column. We have 3, 5, 0, 1 equal to 3 minus 0 equal to 3. Again M2, 1, that means second row first column, this 3 minus of this 3, then second row cancel out and first cancel out. The remaining are 0, 4, 1, 2. This is equal to 0 minus 4 equal to 4. M2, 2, that means second row second column, second row second column cancel out, then remaining is 1, 4 and 1, 4 and 0, 3. 1, 4 and 0, 2, not 3, 2 equal to 0, not 0, sorry, 1 into 2 is 2 minus 0 equal to 2. M3, 3, that means 2, 3, not 3, 3, 2, 3, that means this one cancelling by this and this, then what do we get? 1, 0, 0, 1. So 1, 0, 0, 1 equal to what? 1 minus 0 is 0. So similarly we find the minors of this one. This is M3, 1. This is third row first column. Okay. So cancelling by this and this, we get 0, 4, 5 minus 1. This is equal to 0 minus 20 equal to minus 20. M3, 2, that means the minors of this element is what? It is lies in third row, cancel, and second column, this is also cancelled. So remaining elements are 1, 4, 3 minus 1. 1, 4, 3 and minus 1. This is equal to minus 1 minus 12 equal to minus 13. So M3, 3, that means the minors of this element, that means 2 is what? Cancelling by third row and third column, then what we get? 1, 0 and 3, 5. This is equal to 5 minus 0 equal to 5. So minors of this given determinant is this. Okay. Now we are going to find the cofactors. So cofactors are, first one is A11. A11 formula is what? I plus j. Okay, minus 1 to the power I plus j, that means 1 plus 1 into M11. So that is 1 square equal to plus 1 into what? 1 into M11 is, we already find M11 is 11 equal to 11. So A12, that means minus 1 to the power 1 plus 2. 1 plus 2 is what? Into M12. Okay, so this sign should be negative, minus 1 into M12. M12 is 6. So right here 6 equal to minus 6. A13, that is minus 1 to the power 1 plus 3 is equal to into what? M13. So sign should be positive into M13. Here M13 is plus 3. So this is equal to plus 3. So cofactor of this element A21 equal to what? A21 is minus 1 to the power 2 plus 1 into M21 equal to what? This sign should be negative here because it is an even number. 2 plus 1 is 3. 3 is an even number. So not even number, odd number. So sign is negative. Negative to M21. The value of M21 is 4. 1 into 4 equal to minus 4. Similarly, A22, that means minus 1 to the power 2 plus 2 into M22. this sign should be positive here. 1 into m22 is what? M22 is plus 2. So write here plus 2 equal to 2. Okay. Okay. So see here. So what is a cofactor of the minors of m21? M21 is 0 minus 4. So this should be minus 4. So right here, correct here. A21. That means cofactor of this one is what? This is minus 4. This is also minus 4. So minus minus is this one plus 4. Okay. So now we are going to find the cofactors of A23. A23 means minus 1 to the power 2 plus 3 into what? Into M23. M23. So sign should be what? Sign should be, because 2 plus 3 is an odd number, so sign should be negative. Minus 1 into M23 is plus 1. So plus 1 equal to what? This is equal to minus 1. So cofactor of A31. A31 equal to minus 1 to the power 1 plus 1. Sorry, not 1. So 3 plus 1 into M31 equal to, sign should be positive. 1 into M31 is what? M31 is minus 20. So right here minus 20 equal to what? Minus 20. So A32 equal to what? So minus 1 to the power 3 plus 2 into M32 equal to what? Sign should be negative, because 2 plus 3 equal to 5. 5 is an odd number, so sign should be negative here. Into M32 is minus 13. So this is equal to what? Minus minus plus, so plus 13. A33. So cofactor of last one is A33, minus 1 to the power 3 plus 3 into M33 equal to what? This is, sign should be positive. 1 into M33 is, we get here 5. So this is equal to 5. So cofactor. In this way we find the question number 3. The question number 3 is what? It is a very simple question. Question number 3 is, using cofactor of the elements of second row, evaluate. Very simple. It is given delta equal to, first row is what? 538, and second row is 201, and third row 123. This is the third. Now the condition is what? Condition is using cofactor of the elements of second row. So what is the second row? This is the second row. Okay. So now the cofactors of second row are, तो second row হলে প্রথমটো cofactor হ'ব কিমান? A21, so yet sign should be negative. Okay, so minus 1 into what? Minus 1 into this one, so cancelling by this row and this column, then 3823. This is equal to minus 1 whole into 9 minus 2 is 8 equal to 16. This is equal to what? Minus 1 into minus 9 minus 16 equal to 7 equal to plus 8. Okay, A22, cofactor of A22, that is 0, no? So cofactor of A22 is, this is plus, sign should be positive. Then remaining are what? Is cancelling this row and this column, then 5 8 1 3, 5 8 and 1 3, 5 8 1 3. Then this is equal to 15 minus 8 equal to 7. A23, sign should be negative here, because 2 plus 3 is 5. 5 is odd number, then sign should be negative. Then cancelling by these and this, then this is 5 3 1 2, 5 3 1 2. 10 minus 3 equal to 7. Now expanding along with second row, na? It is given the expanding. Now expanding along with second row. Second row we have, what we have, this is equal to 2 into this one, 2 into this, first is 7, 2 into 7 plus 0 into this one, 0 into what, 0 into 7, okay, and lastly what we get, and lastly this one, lastly what we get, lastly this one is what, this one is 1 into what, 7, 1 into 7, okay, then answer is what, it should become 0, no, so this is 14, okay, this is 14 minus, sorry, here is minus, no, to give here, this is minus, okay, so this is minus 7, this is also minus 7, this is equal to 14 minus 7 equal to 7, so answer is what, answer is 7. Now I am going to solve question number 4. So what is question number 4? Question number 4 is a very simple problem. Using cofactor of elements of third column, evaluate. Using third column, we, so what is given, the delta equal to what, delta is given, first column is 1 1 1 1 1 1 and second column is x y z and third column is yz zx xy, okay, this is given. So using third column, cofactor of third column, now cofactor of third column are, so this is third column, okay, this one what, this is third column, no, cofactor a, this is 3, not 3, 1 1 3, this is equal to, sign should be positive or negative, so sign should be 1 plus 3, isn't, minus 1 to the power 1 plus 3 into minus, minus is what, cancelling by this and this, then 1 y 1 z, this is equal to, sign should be positive here, then z minus y, z minus y, okay, so this is a 2 3 third column, cancelling by second row third column, then 2 3, no, sign should be what, 2 plus 3 into minus, minus is what, cancelling by this row and these columns, then what do we get, 1x and here is 1z, this is equal to what, sign should be negative here, so give here minus whole into what, minus whole into z minus x, so we can write this x minus z, okay, and lastly a 3 3, sign should be positive here, minus 1 to the power 3 plus 3 is 6, 6 is an even number into minus, cancelling by this and this, then what do we get, 1x 1y equal to y minus x. Now expanding along with third row, then what do we get, this is equal to yz, expanding right here, expanding along with third row, third, not row, coulombs, we have, what we have, expanding along with third coulombs, we have, what we have, then you write here, this is A13 into capital A13 plus small a23 into capital A23 plus small a 3 into capital A 3. So just put the value of A13 is yz into A13 z minus y plus A23 is zx, A23 is z x minus z, right here x minus z, plus A33 is xy whole into A33, capital A33 is y minus x, so right here y minus x. So this is equal to, if we multiplying this, then what we get? Y z square minus y square z, this is plus z x square minus x z square plus x y square minus what? Minus x square y. Now if we taking common x square, then what we get? If we taking common x square, then this is x square and here is also x square, then what we get? Z minus y. Now taking common what? Taking common z minus y. Now taking common x. If we take x is common, then what do we get? X is common, no? X is common, then we get plus x is common, then y square minus z square. So if you take minus z is common, then what we get? Minus z is common, then we get z square minus y square. Okay, and lastly in these two equations, what we get? Yz common plus yz is common, then what we get? Yz is common, then we get z minus y, z minus y. Now taking common z minus y, if we taking common z minus y, then remaining are what? This is x squared, here is minus x whole into what? Z plus y. Okay, z plus y plus yz. Is it clear? So this is equal to z minus y whole into, so here is what? Here is, this is x squared minus xz, okay, minus yz, this is not yz, xz and x, this is what? Y, no? So this is xy plus yz. So this is equal to z minus y whole into, if we taking common from this two equation is x is common, then what we get here? X minus y. And from this equation, if we taking common minus z, then what we get? Minus z, then we have here is x minus y. Bracket close. This is equal to what? Then we get z minus y whole into x minus y whole into what? X minus z. This is the number 5. Question number 5. If delta equal to, first column is A11, A21, A31, and second column is A12, A22, A32, and third column is A13, A23, and A33, and Aij is cofactor of small aij, then value of delta is given. It is a very simple, then then the value of delta is what? Delta is, it is a very simple, then value of delta is what? A11 into cofactor of A11 plus A, if it is A11, then capital A11, and if it is A21, then capital A21, and lastly small a cube to small a 3 1 into what? Small a 3 1 into a 3 1. This is the answer. Okay, so what is the answer? The correct answer is what? The correct option is correct option is D. ভিডিওটো কেনেকুৱা লাগিছে কমেণ্টত জনাব যদি ভাল লাগে তেন্তে লাইক আৰু শ্বেয়াৰ কৰিব আৰু এনে ধৰণৰ নতুন নতুন ভিডিঅ' পাবৰ কাৰণে চেনেলটো ছাবস্ক্ৰাইব কৰিব